My name is Jasneet, and I've been a patient at AcuVeda in Goa for the last 2 years. I came here because I was suffering from a chronic condition called fibromyalgia, which I was diagnosed with almost 10 years ago. I was young, I was 25, and I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, and I was told by the Western medicine system that this has no cure and I have to live with it for life, and that pain, chronic pain, is going to be my constant companion throughout life. At that time, it felt like a death sentence. 2 years before, when I walked in here and I met Dr. Nemi, who is a renowned healer, known globally for his skill and art. The first day I met him, he assured me that he has 100% cure for fibromyalgia, and it would require patience and time, but we'll be able to treat and cure the issue. Meeting him felt like a new lease of life, and I fully surrendered to his treatment. AcuVeda became a safe space for me, where I was coming in for treatment, and it felt like family, where it did not feel like a hospital, where I was being treated like a guinea pig. It felt like a family, a safe space where I was being held. All the emotional pain and the weight that I was carrying was safely made to release. And after 2 years of treatment, I feel much better. And if you're out there suffering from a chronic pain condition, especially fibromyalgia, please know that there's a cure and you don't have to live with it for life. So after I started to feel better, I was very curious about acupuncture and all the different modalities that I experienced here, like blood cupping, moxibustion, and magnet therapy, sound therapy. So I was a part of the 1 month basic course in acupuncture, which is held by Dr. Nemi. And it's been a great experience at unlearning all that we've been taught about health, disease, emotions, all our life, and about relearning who we are, and how we can become a better version of ourselves through physiology, through psychology, through anatomy, and through simple treatment protocols done via acupuncture and cupping that can restore our balance and our natural health. If you're someone who's looking to deepen their study in Ayurveda, in acupuncture, I would like to add here that Dr. Nemi beautifully blends two ancient sciences, Ayurveda and the Chinese medicine, acupuncture, and has created a unique combination of study which includes wisdom, deep wisdom from two ancient sciences into a very concise, beautiful, compact course. And he has a very friendly manner of teaching. So if you're someone who's interested in Ayurveda, in Chinese medicine, in natural healing, or you're someone who's going through your own emotional issues or want to be a practitioner, I highly recommend this course. It's been an eye-opening experience, and it feels like a new dawn. Thank you.
Not